Then, let's do your receipt. My Lord, Appeal Commission item number 19. On behalf of Young Water. That matter will come up after 2 weeks.
As per the list, as per the list.
My lord.
For motion, item numbers 1 and 2.
May please, Lordship.
Yeah.
Lordship, there is a delay of 474 days in filing the connected review petition. Here we are seeking for review of paragraph 15 of the.
Yes, I think Supreme Court also, division bench also.
Yes.
You have failed.
Lordship here.
So anyhow, we will issue notice.
Lordship, accept notice on behalf of the industry.
For the
And
delay.
yes. So we can try on, come in Monday.
I don't think so. I think
Before your lordship leaves.
anybody can take up.
That is true, your lordship. But the best is if it is disposed of by the same judge.
Let me not antagonize anybody. We issue notice. You accept notice.
Your lordship.
Okay, so we fix it after 2 weeks. Because I think the review more or less will not have any merit. That is what I feel.
Your lordship.
Head MS V. Socrates, Learned Counsel for the applicant. The present application has been filed under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963, seeking for condoning the delay of 474 days in filing the connected review petition. Issue notice to the respondents. Notice to the opposite parties. Returnable after 2 weeks. Mr. Ariralu. Learned Senior Counsel. Assisted by Mr. Spencer Eliralu. Accepts notice on behalf of the opposite parties. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued to the opposite parties. The learned additional EG shall however serve the requisite copies of the no. No. I think we have jumped too first. Issue notice, okay, from that to the opposite parties returnable in 4 weeks' time. The grounds for the delay, which part?
Lordship, I have mentioned in para 5. Page 17.
The grounds for the delay has been stated in paragraph 5 of the application. This court, on perusal of the application, is satisfied that the delay has been satisfactorily explained. The delay of 474 days is accordingly condoned.
Your Lordship, that means delay has been condoned.
We go for review. Why again another hearing for delay?
Your Lordship, we would like to observe on the question of delay.
Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, then in that case, the first one will do, the first one. Mr. Iralo, so-and-so, Luna Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. So-and-so L. Iralo, accepts notice on behalf of the opposite parties. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned additional AG shall however serve the requisite copies of the application to the learned senior counsel within
Today, it's a.
in the course of the day. Okay.
Much
Logical.
Okay.
For motion, item number 3.
Yes.
Mr. Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, the petitioner is seeking appointment on the basis of land ownership. Lordship.
Anybody appointed?
No, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present petition has been filed, seeking for appointment to a grade 4 post on the basis of land ownership. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. You are appearing?
Lordship.
Mr. Ajungli Sanctum, the learned government advocate, accepts notice on behalf of
1 to 6.
the state respondents. Therefore, no formal notice need be issued. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned government advocate when?
Within 1 day.
Within a
Yes.
period of 2 days from today. Okay.
For admission, item numbers 4 and 5.
Lordship,
Yes.
kindly give us 3 weeks time to file a reply to the affidavit of opposition filed by the state.
Okay. Status file affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When? Because as per the last order, the affidavit has been sent for waiting. 9th June, okay. Okay, okay. Yes. MS Anselo,
Yes, Your Lordship.
the learned counsel for the petitioner, is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Listed according. Okay.
For admission, item number 6.
Yes, what is this?
Maybe, you know.
Yeah.
The other side has not yet filed affidavit, Your Honor.
Lordship may kindly grant us 3 weeks time, Lordship. I don't have instruction, Lordship.
You are for the Allahabad Bank,
Lordship, Indian Bank.
in Allahabad Bank,
Yes.
or,
Now it has been changed to.
okay, Allahabad. In that case, why don't you also amend the cause title,
With
rejecting the correct party?
two Ds are with Allahabad Bank. So-
Allahabad Bank,
Yes, sir.
okay, okay,
That's
okay,
right.
okay. Okay. So we give you time, 3 weeks time. Okay,
Your Lordship fixed on 29th of July.
okay. Uh, a good name, T. Pamander,
As the general.
Estimjan. Mr. Estimjan, the learned counsel for the respondent is further granted 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition. Listed on
29th of July.
29/7/2025.
Keep clear. For admission, item number 7.
May I please, Lordship.
Yes, please.
My lord, I am for respondent number 5. And my lord, I have apprehended another 3 weeks time may be given to file affidavit in opposition.
What about government, madam? Your file. You are for respondent number?
Respondent.
You respondent 5, okay. But the learned government advocate as well as the learned counsel for the respondent number 5 are allowed 3 weeks time to file their respective affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
My pleasure.
For admission, item number 8.
Yes,
I have discussion to appear on there, the respondent number 4.
respondent for.
I was just finding my power today, and my affidavit will be filed by Monday morning.
Yes, who is respondent number 4? The other respondents? You are for respondent number
4.
4. What about the others?
Status already filed the affidavit.
Oh, just wait. The respondent 1, 2, 3, 4. You're for unemployed, ANM, okay. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 6 are state. Then, yourself? 7 to 73. Okay, 7 to 73, that's okay. State is also fine. Mr. A. Pongoner, the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 is allowed 3 weeks time.
Monday I will file my.
Okay. Is allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
We have already filed it from the month of March. We're getting filed there some emergency.
No, you have prayed, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall also file the reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 7 to 73, as well as the state respondents. Okay.
If there's an interim.
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay.
For admission, item number 9.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Your Lordship, on the last occasion, the Lordship has directed to obtain
clarification from the petitioners, whether they have been, all the petitioners have been regularized. Your Lordship, the respondents have, issued a regularization order. By the same office order, Your Lordship, they have been regularized, that is, dated 13th of September 2024. So the relief sought in this case happened.
Where is that notification, ma'am? Let us see. Office order.
Yes, Lord.
Which office order? There are
Same office order.
same office order. Thirty. 30. How many petitioners, ma'am?
There are more petitioners.
4 petitioners.
Yes, Lord.
And all the petitioners have been regularized by this orders.
Yes, Lordship. So, in view of
Okay.
this brief development, the case is disposed of privilege.
Third MS and so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. And MS Supungchang. The learned counsel for the state respondents. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that by the office order dated by the series of office orders, office order dated 13/9/2024, issued by the additional chief engineer and HOD, Office of the Chief Engineer, PhD Nagaland Kohima, which is placed by the learned government advocate, the services of the petitioners has been regularized in service. MS so learned counsel for the petitioner accordingly submits that the relief sought for in the writ petition has been redressed. The learned counsel therefore submits that she has instructions not to press the matter. Stop. The writ petition is accordingly closed as not pressed. The copies of the order dated 13/9/2024 shall be placed on record. Okay.
Obliged, ma'am.
Writ petition disposed.
For admission, item number 10.
Yes, Mr. Imti. Yes.
Hardly somewhat on structure.
You have received instructions.
Really it was received, but it doesn't work. Means I have already written back again for produce.
Please, Your Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, I feel this may be the last chance, Lordship. Here, there is an urgency in this matter, Lordship.
what is the urgency?
Lordship, there, the petitions are seeking for regularization and there's an administrative approval for a recruitment process, so, and which has not been stayed, Lordship, though.
Mr. Imti. the learned additional AG submits that he has received the instructions. However, further clarification is necessary. He therefore seeks for 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit on behalf of the state respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Stop. An endeavor shall be made by the state to file the affidavit on or before the next date fixed.
For admission, item number 11.
Yeah. After the vacation. On the prayer of the learned counsel for the parties. Release the case after the summer break.
For admission, item numbers 12 to 16.
May I please, Your Lord?
Yes, Mr.
Here on behalf of for additional AG in Dimson, here we have sent to obtain the signature to file an affidavit. So kindly grant 2 weeks of time to file our affidavit.
Okay, Mr. Tushi. Okay.
On the last occasion, they were directed to file without fail, but if.
Not without fail. They were met, they were asked to make an endeavor. Okay.
The last line.
The last line I'm reading.
Yes.
Okay, take it. We give them 3 weeks time. Okay.
2 weeks.
Mr. A. Sanktam makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Imtimso, the learned additional AG, and seeks adjournment of the case for further 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
For admission, item number 17.
Yes, ma'am, have you filed your affidavit?
I don't give you.
What was that status report for?
The case of the petitioner was sent to the cabinet, sir. The latest status is that it's still pending before the cabinet will vote for approval. Regularization, which is for regularization. For completing 30 years.
Others have been considered, no? Others have been.
This batch has not, still pending. So since the petitioner's case are squarely covered by the President, then can you dispose of the case?
We cannot, because when we cannot give any direction when the government is sees of the matter and the matter is before the cabinet. Pleadings on behalf of the parties are complete. And therefore, the matter can be listed for admission hearing after 2 weeks. Listed accordingly. Okay.
For admission, item number 18.
Not just about it.
Yes.
Your state is filed an affidavit, but today, Attila, for the respondent number 345, she did not appear. She has some personal difficulties.
Whether she has filed?
Not yet, not.
Okay.
So let this matter come out after 3 weeks.
Okay.
Your Lordship, I just received the counter affidavit and I would not like to.
You would not like to
Reply.
file
Yeah.
reply
Yes, Lord.
to the government's affidavit?
Yes, Lord.
MS Swenso, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner will not be filing affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the respondent number 3, 4, and 5 is further allowed 3 weeks time to file the affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
For admission, item number 19.
Yes,
Wait, this my law.
yes.
I filed my affidavit. The matter in 3 days. That,
Are you filing reply to the affidavit?
Your Lordship, it's actually a very simple and very short method.
But this court may not take up any matter.
As I mentioned earlier, my learned friend, young one is, not taking the floor that the latest figure will come up, after 2 weeks.
No, 2 weeks is too much. In fact, it's a likelihood of a person. Only 2 questions here, my lord.
But your tenure is over.
No, Your Lordship, but.
And if your tenure is over and the court has passed any order,
My lord,
the order is not capable of being implemented. That is
I
the,
will not insist on that, my lord. What I'm trying to impress upon your Lordship is only 2 lines.
we allow the CGC to file affidavit, then we'll hear.
Lordship, without the affidavit, the notification, the guideline is very clear.
The learned CGC is allowed for the 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay. Yes,
For admission, item number 20.
Yes, Your Lordship.
yes.
Lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition.
You are for?
I'm the opposite party in IA and the petitioner in the main petition.
You are opposite party in the IA.
Yes,
Mr. Mo, you're the applicant.
Yes, sir.
We give them time, 2 weeks. Your good name?
full name po niya. Sorry mo, Gauhati ng senior Cynthia.
Mr. M. Konyak, learned counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. Santi Younger, the counsel for the petitioner, the counsel for the applicant, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks to file objection to the application. Prayer is allowed, listed report.
Also, there is an interim.
Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date.
Bibliography.
For orders, item number 21.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
And can you grant me 3 more weeks to file my affidavit in opposition?
Your Lordship, I would like to beg this out to kindly drop our name in the BG because we have no role here, my lord.
What is your case? Pension?
Still it means my year of retirement.
My lord, we have nothing to say there. And we have instruction from the government of India also to request the armed courts not to implead us as a party wherever it is not necessary, my lord.
If it will not do you any harm, I think let us at least let the case take its conclusion, logical conclusion. At least because actually a time may arise since either this way or that way, whether the case is decided, the time may arise regarding payment of pension and pensionary benefits. There you're actually I think you will have to come in the picture.
But that is the next picture, your lord.
That is the next picture, but it is a continuation of that picture.
Even otherwise, my lord, here is an issue where it is not to do with that.
I think if there will be nothing adverse against you, I think just let us see for some time. At least let the pleadings be completed, and let us see. Okay. The learned government advocate is further allowed 3 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition, listed accordingly.
Your lordship, so
The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return.
my name will be reflected mostly soon.
Yes, the name of Mr. Joshua, learned standing counsel for the respondent number
5, my lord.
5 shall be reflected in the daily course list.
My lord.
Okay.
Obliged, my lord.
Okay.